and welcome to Wednesdaymoves, where we learn trading step by step without hype and without shortcuts. Let me ask you something. Why does price sometimes feel like it is moving with direction instead of randomly? The answer is structure. Today, you'll understand trend lines and market structure, two concepts that bring clarity to charts. Once you understand structure, charts stop looking chaotic. You begin to see directions, behavior, and patterns instead of noise. What is a trend? Markets usually move in trends. Sometimes price moves upward, sometimes downward, sometimes sideways. Identifying the trend helps you understand market direction. What is a trend line? A trend line is simply a line drawn across price swings. It helps you visualize direction. It does not predict the future, but it helps you understand behavior. Well, an uptrend is when price makes higher highs and higher lows. This shows buyers are in control. Strong uptrends often continue until structure changes. Here's the example. On this chart, you can see price gradually moving higher. Each low is higher than the previous low. The trend line helps visualize the overall direction. A downtrend is when price makes lower highs and lower lows. This shows sellers are in control. Downtrends often continue until structure shifts. Example, on this chart, price is moving lower over time. Each a high is lower than the previous high. This trend line helps confirm bearish direction. What is market structure? Market structure is the pattern of highs and lows on the chart. It tells you who is in control, buyers or sellers. It gives context to every price movement. Here's an example. Here you can see higher highs and higher lows clearly. This confirms bullish structure. Structure gives meaning to price, not just movement. Now, why this matters? When you understand structure, you stop guessing direction. It helps with bias, patience, and decision making. Common beginner mistakes is forcing trend lines where they don't belong, drawing lines on every candle, ignoring higher time frames. Well, how to practice? Open charts daily, identify clear highs and lows, draw simple trend lines, keep charts clean and simple. Hierarchy takeaway. Trend lines and structure do not predict price. They help you understand behavior. Clarity comes from observation, not complexity. The more time you spend observing clean charts, the better your understanding of structure becomes. This course will continue building your foundations step by step. Subscribe if you want to continue learning. Thank you for watching.